I'm Bill Suter with Maple Drive Farms. We actually were a hog farm that we started out, my brother and I, with my father back in the 60s and 70s. The meat industry has grown to where it is huge, and so vegetables is a little more, I mean, it's a big business too, but there's a lot more people raising hogs, and it might be a little easier than vegetables. And vegetables are a little more specialized, which would bring in a little more income. We were realizing that we needed more income for the size of farm we were, and we thought we need to diversify into something else. Vegetables seemed to be a fit for us at the time. Got involved with Julie and Organzo, and that's been a good business for us, to where we were able to be profitable and get our sons involved and keep the family business going. We farm around 500 to 600 acres, something like that, and about a fifth of that would be in vegetable production, the other in corn and soybean production. But the area that we like to focus on are the vegetables. It's more intense, it's a lot of labor intensive, but there's more money in the vegetables than there is in the corn and beans.